We're certainly not a wealthy county, but we're a much wealthier county than we were 5 years ago.
The biggest area for business is Salem and East Liverpool.
We've got a lot going on.
And the driving force behind a lot of that development has been the shale industry. Over the last 5 years, Chesapeake Energy has spent between $2 and $3 billion on leaseholds that they've recently begun to renew.
Where they are drilling or where they intend to drill, they're coming in and saying, hey, we want to renew that because our lease has actually expired in August.
The abundance of shale gas is also the reason Advanced Power Services is planning to build a $1.1 billion natural gas-fueled power plant near Wellsville.
Obviously, when you're employing 500 people to build a plant, they're going to be spending money, and of course that translates into sales tax, which directly benefits our county.
Meanwhile, here at the corner of Route 7 and 14, Firestone Homestead is starting work on Town Center, a multi-use project that will house shops, medical offices, and restaurants.
Downtown Salem is a great place. It's growing.
Mike Mancuso, Executive Director of the Sustainable Opportunity Development Center in Salem, says the city has about 20 projects on the books.
We just celebrated the opening of Lib's Market. It's a coffee house and a bakery that went in downtown. The Sod Center was part of that. We've got a number of other businesses that have moved in, and we've got a number more that are kind of waiting in the wings, starting to rehab buildings to get in. Of course, everybody's read in the paper and seen on TV that we had a building that started to come down. We had to tear it down. We've got a few buildings with issues, and the city is working to put in the International Public Maintenance Code to help us have some tools to be able to work with building owners to get these buildings repaired.
This part of the country, and specifically Ohio, and more specifically this area, we have a great labor force. We have cheap water, cheap utilities. The housing market is very reasonable. So it's a great place to do business.
For the most part, people are really excited about what's coming. They're excited about having this new maintenance code. We're working to put in a new building and business association downtown. We've helped create that organization as an affiliate of the Sod Center here. Most historic downtowns need a core business group to really help drive it. So that's one of the missing pieces we're trying to put together. Almost 50% of our storefronts are already filled with unique shops, and we really now need to move to the next level and figure out what we want to fill those other shops with, and how do we get those things habitable.